Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. It's still winter, but at least it's not snowing, so it's perfect weather for grilling. I'm handling a viewer request today. I'm making Italian steak sandwiches for xingcat. Now these steak sandwiches are not to be confused with steak and cheese sandwiches, Philly or otherwise. They're comprised of grilled sliced steak, peppery greens, and a creamy gorgonzola sauce on a hearty ciabatta roll. So let's see what we're gonna need. We're putting our creamy gorgonzola sauce together first. It's just mayonnaise, fire-roasted bell peppers, gorgonzola, shallots, parsley, and a bit of salt and pepper. As always, the ingredients are listed here, as well as the full recipe and instructions for everything in the description box below. This is getting processed in the food processor, and then it's going in the refrigerator to combine while we put everything else together. I have 2 flank steaks because I'm serving 5 hungry people who love these sandwiches. They've been trimmed of excess fat, then they've been rubbed with olive oil and very generously seasoned on both sides with salt and pepper. These are going on a very hot grill for about 3 minutes aside for medium rare. If you'd like them a little more well done, just add a minute to each side. Once those steaks come off the grill, they're getting sliced and tossed in a mixture of olive oil, parsley, thyme, rosemary, crushed red pepper flakes, and any meat juices. These sandwiches, I have toasted ciabatta baguette that's been brushed with olive oil along with fresh watercress. If this were summertime, I'd probably use nasturtium leaves and blossoms. Let's put a sandwich together. Let's give this sandwich a taste. Now, I know it's good because I've made them before and I know they're big and messy and I probably am not going to be able to say anything afterwards, but I can guarantee you they're delicious. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.